Hello and welcome. Sorry to the noisy shed behind me. I'm at the lockup where my car is hiding, and I'm going to try to put my steering wheel on today. I've tried to do this already, but my car was inside the shed and I couldn't get it on. But now she's outside, so boss kit, Nardi, wheels for wheel, and we're ready to roll. So first things first, there's these little covers on the side of your steering wheel. Take those off. They're right there. You guys can see that. Then you've got a safety Torx. That thing there. So we've got to rip him off. And then hub nut under here. Hopefully I've got the right size to get this off now that I think about it. And yeah, then steering wheel should come out. Bing bam bada boom. Hub kit, steering wheel, easy as that. I forgot to say before you do this, disconnect your battery. Mine's been disconnected for ages. If I put the key in, you guys will see no lights come on. But yeah, disconnect your battery, probably leave it for like 5-10 minutes, so that way when you take this airbag out and unplug it doesn't explode in your face, because that won't be fun. But yeah, loosen these thingies, so now this should just pull out. Oh, got to unplug this one here. And oh, looks like it's clipped on as well. But yeah, unclip that, and then this airbag unit should pull out, and then it's just this nut here, and this whole steering wheel should come off. So I just rattle gun the nut off. Make sure you leave them kind of on, because you don't want to bang this off because it's on pretty hard and punch yourself in the face. So leave this nut on a little bit, just so it makes it easy to well, stop yourself from hitting yourself in the face, really. Just like that. Whatever you do, make sure you don't twist this, just leave it where it is. This is a clock spring. It's basically just a long thread of copper wire. If you spin it too far one way, it'll snap. So yeah, just leave this where it was, and then yeah, put your new hub and all that kind of thing on. So this is the boss kit that Jess got me to use, HKB Sports. If you have an S15 like mine, you've got a clock spring and you've got airbags and stuff. Comes with the resistor, so you just plug this into your airbag circuit and then tuck it up, and then this is for your horn, and this is for your horn. So you pop this on, this obviously locates onto there, pop your wiring through the hole here, chuck your nut on, chuck your wheel on, make sure everything's nice and straight and on there good. So yeah, I'll bang this all on and chuck my Nardi on. So I've got everything situated in there now. I tucked my resistor up in here, and obviously as the wheel turns and the clock spring turns, that'll all turn together, so that's alright. And then I've just got my ground here for my horn. So I'm going to sit my wheel on now, make sure that everything is straight. We've got top here, and we got the little mark down in there. It's hard to pick it up on the camera, but they're pretty much in line, so should be set to go. So I'll put the wheel on, which is just sitting there, test it all, and then I'll tighten this up afterwards. Yep. So it's got this little ring thing. I don't actually know what it's for, but I assume it's important. It's got little notches there and there, so I'm just going to put them in there like that. Set my wheel on. So I'm only going to put a couple bolts in just to make sure that it's right, because I need to do that up. and I'm not sure that my gun will be able to go on, so this is just a tester. Nardi wheel. So the reason I'm testing the wheel on just like this is I just wanted to make sure that that resistor is actually working. So if I lock my car, unlock my car, so that the thing's off. Now if we look at the lights up there, my airbag light is this one here, so he should stay on for a bit and then hopefully, oh, just like that, disappear. So now I know that everything's good, my wheels are straight, my steering wheel's straight, I can pull them back off now, do this hub nut up nice and tight, and then put this on, put my horn in, check my horn works, and then we're all finalized, and that's a Nardi steering wheel install done like that. So my hub nut's all tight now, so I'm just going to go through, spin all these on. I'm going to do it like a star pattern, just like as if you would do a wheel, just to try and get it as centered as possible. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera and do this one-handed. It's a little bit tricky, but we'll get there. Get it all situated. Like so, make sure it's nice and tight once I've done this, so that way he never falls off. And holy shit, it is hot right now, I'm sweating like a pig. Whew. Might be ice block after this, I reckon. Treat yourself, lads. Get yourself an ice block. Ding. So this should be the final piece to the puzzle. Got our ground there. So you just plug it in. Ooh, like that. Put them in here somehow. I lied. I don't need this piece.
You don't need it?
So there she is, boys and girls. Works. Make sure it's all tight. And my wheels straight? Yeah. Straight enough, he reckons. So, just like that, we got a Nardi. Looks good in there, just need a Nismo John in here. And then we'll be sorted. Then take it to Ethan's, eh?
It's another gay accessory to your car.
Another gay accessory, he reckons. It's not very nice, but cheers for watching. I'm sweating and I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna go now and get a drink, so thanks, see ya.